Good afternoon. I am a blue state conservative coming to you from Portland, Oregon. Yes, we exist. What I'm going to dive into today is COVID-19, the timeline related to COVID-19, steps taken by President Donald Trump and his administration, despite the WHO, despite the CDC, and despite leftist leaders saying that the steps were unnecessary and even labeling him a xenophobe for doing so. I do want to give credit where credit is due. One of my subscribers actually asked me to cover this today, and he did the initial research, and I vetted it on the CDC website as well as Wiki, and it was accurate. So here we go. Okay, it starts on January 6th. The CDC issues a travel advisory for Wuhan. On January 11th, the CDC tweets about a corona-related pneumonia outbreak in China. On January 14th, the World Health Organization tweets that there is no evidence of human-to-human transmission. On January 17th, the CDC started doing health screening of travelers from China at 3 major airports. On January 21st, the first case in the U.S. for someone who traveled directly from Wuhan. January 23rd, the World Health Organization again says no human-to-human transmission has occurred outside of China. And on January 27th, the World Health Organization raises the alert level, but is still saying that China has it contained. And on January 28th, the CDC states that while the CDC considers COVID a serious situation and is taking preparedness measures, the immediate risk in the U.S. is considered low. Okay, so this is when the White House steps in. So on January 29th, the White House announces a coronavirus task force has been created. And note that this is despite the World Health Organization downplaying the issue. On January 31st, Trump bans travel from China. And you all remember, multiple media outlets, including Democratic leaders, they slam him, calling him racist and a xenophobe. On the 5th, Trump was acquitted, impeached. On the 5th also, Chuck Schumer in a tweet continues to call Trump's travel ban from China premature. And that was the 5th of February. On February 7th, the White House's coronavirus task force gives a press briefing. On the 9th of February, the White House coronavirus task force meets with all governors regarding the virus. On February 12th, the CDC was waiting for approval from the Chinese for a CDC team to travel to China. So as you may or may not remember, there was a 2-week period where China was actually refusing for a U.S. CDC to go in and assist them in assessing the severity of the virus. 2 weeks. On February 18th, the HHS announces partnership to develop vaccine. On February 21st, Italy identifies its very first case in their country. And as we all know, Italy spun out of control. After that, on February 21st, the CDC tweets that it is working with states for preparedness. On February 24th, President Donald Trump sent a letter to Congress asking for $25 billion for virus effort. Now, on that same day, that is when Nancy Pelosi made a stop in Chinatown and put social media out there, come on out and enjoy Chinatown, right? Because she's calling Trump a xenophobe for shutting down borders. Disgusting piece of filth. On February 25th, there is still no reported community spread in the United States, per the CDC tweet. On February 27th, the first community transmission in the United States. On February 27th also, President Donald Trump appoints Pence to coordinate efforts. On February 29th, the first reported COVID-19 death in the United States. This is all sourced. You can find it on the CDC website. You can find it in Wiki. And that's all before March